they put the chair and me in bed.
Yeah, he was passed out.
So I woke up, I'm laying on my back in the chair.
What the fucking fuck?
What the fuck?
He woke up
kitchen
still
chair and
sitting in
everything,
the
just laid me in bed on the chair. And then these motherfuckers, right? We used to have these big dill pickles, right? Big ones. Well, you know, I got a cold beer in my hand. So they get these fucking pickles out, right? Well, they're cold. My beer's warm. So they put a pickle in my hand, and I dropped that beer like it was fucking
Everybody
old
gets something to
school,
eat.
right?
Yes, sir.
I had the pickle. And you're like, what the fuck? I dropped that beer.